not 100 weeks are completed, remaining 4 weeks are left. These 4 weeks play very important role, in your throughout life. So that's why put maximum effort, and then so each and every student having its favorite subject. In your favorite subject, if you score maximum things, definitely you got the advanced rank also. So once again, I congratulate all the students as well as the parents for your achievement. Again, Resonance proved maximum number of selections. So on that basis only we work. So then be and make is the lecturer's motto is my student, my responsibility. All the lecturers kept their promises and then prove in the form of result. Once again, I congratulate all the achievers as well as the parents for your success. And then your teachers work with you whenever you need. They support you. With their support only you got the good result. Thank you.
Who succeeded in JEE session 1-2 together. Also congratulations to parents, teachers, principals who stand behind the success as the backbone, irrespective of your position in our organization. Hyderabad residents again proven consistent success rate in 2025 also. Nearly more than 80% of the people succeeded. So in this especially more than 97% students are nearly 100 out of less strength. So again, Residents Hyderabad became as the topmost organization to produce JEE result. So out of 14.7 lakh students, session 1 and 2 together. So 2.5 this year, 2.5 lakh students are got eligibility for the one more world toughest exam, advanced. So you need to be prove your performance in JEE advanced. My dear students, remember carefully, this time is enough to grab the effective rank. Who succeeded in JEE session 1 and session 2 together, who are eligible for the JEE advanced. So there is a little bit challenge in front of you. There is a topmost and ordeal is waiting in front of you, and moreover, more expectations from your parents, relatives, organization, faculty. I think you will be prove and fulfill our aim and objective, our dreams also. So I think almost we have plenty of support from our faculty, management, parents. So anyhow, within the 1 month only, you have to prove yourself, which is dreamed by yourself from childhood onwards. So the people who are desirable, no doubt, who are qualified and get eligibility for the advance, who are studying in Residence Hyderabad, they are all are desirable students. I wish you all the best for your further exam and future remaining entrances also. Thank you one and all.
Good results, maybe like I can say starting from 295 out of 300 and 13th rank to many students who scored 100 percentiles also in their different subjects. Now, congratulations to students and their parents. You supported these 2 years continuously, and their hard work and dedication paid off today. Another, I can say another 40 days. If they will work, they'll succeed in a JEE Advanced. So on May 7th, May 18th, you are having JEE Advanced. With the same energies, you put in a like the right direction, you keep your energy, channelize your energies so that the success will be there, right? So just intelligently write the paper 1 and paper 2. More children after succeeding in a JEE mains, they won't take very seriously JEE Advanced. The students who will take the JEE Advanced seriously, they'll success. So thank you. All the best for JEE Advanced.
A very good afternoon to all the students and parents and all the teachers who are assembled here. We are very happy to meet again in the April after the successful result of the January attempt. Now the final attempt results are here. This is the day which you are working hard for the last 2 years, and as a result of it, Resonance was able to continue its success streak over a period of time. So on this result, 2025 results is even more memorable for us because there is no new set of students who achieved new milestones from all our campuses across the country. Especially our student Archishman, he was able to score 295 out of 300 and he got All India rank 13 at a national level. So we are very proud of this achievement. And apart from that, our Hyderabad students, 3 of them were able to score 100 percentile in their respective subjects. That is Shivasanket Reddy, 100 percentile in physics, Venela being 100 percentile, then Divit Reddy, and also we have our Vedant who was able to upscale his performance and he was able to reach 99.94 percentile overall score. He emerged as overall topper from Hyderabad. So congratulations to all of them. And I also want to share a few more highlights from the results of the Resonance Hyderabad Center especially. Out of all the students who have written the JEE Main 2025, we are very happy to share that almost like 1500 students are eligible to write JEE Advanced exam from Resonance itself, from Telangana. So that is very happy number for all of us. And in addition to this, the overall students who secured 99 percentile above overall score, around 57 students are there. And in various subjects all put together, we have almost like, we have more than almost 180 numbers who are available in that particular category. We are very happy with these results. Looking forward for JEE Advanced in the next month. All the best to all the students. So I would like to sincerely commend the efforts of all the teachers, non-teaching staff and all these people who has put in the efforts. And to encourage these students, we want to announce a small merit scholarship also to 4 students. So who emerged as a all Hyderabad topper from our institute, Vedant Saxena is going to get a 1 lakh merit scholarship. And also all these 3 students who scored 100 percentile, Venela, Shivasanket Reddy and Divit Reddy, all 3 of them are also going to get 1 lakh scholarship, merit scholarship. So there are bigger scholarships waiting for you for the advanced results. Looking forward to see you as winners. All the best.